In this video, I'm going to show you how to make quality better on CapCut. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do. So all you need is just to create the necessary project, or maybe you have project, so add the video and then just edit it. So after that, when you recognize that everything is done, you need to get the highest quality in the exported video. So how can we do this? Basically, we have two options how to increase our quality on CapCut, and I will tell you about both of them. So firstly is just make sure that you have the highest possible quality of your videos you're creating new video from. So basically if these parts of video are in bad quality, or maybe they're too much zoomed or zoomed out, the quality of the exported video will not be able to be that high as it should be, because you can't make something better if you have the not the best parts. So basically if you had bad videos, it will be very hard for you to increase your quality. Of course you can try to use some stickers, effects or filters to make your video better, but honestly, for example, if you'll try to compare, of course some filters look more cinematic or something like this, but in the exporting video everything depends not only on the picture, it depends on the basic quality of the videos you created. So make sure that the quality of your starting videos are the highest. So after that you can of course try to add some filters to find. So here in the left top corner you can go to filters and then just find the necessary. You can try different filters, try to add them, try to remove, try to find which is more suitable for you now. So yes, sometimes it could really work, but the most important step is that which I will show you now. So when we click on export in the right top corner, basically our windows looks like this. So it's not that small, and we don't have any settings. Basically we can just choose the title and choose the folder we want to export to. But what is more important to change our quality is to open these settings. So make sure that video editing checkbox is turned on, and after that here you need to click on the button to open the toggle list with different export settings. So here we can change the resolution, bitrate, codec, format, frame rate, cover. Basically, what do you need to change? Make sure that the resolution is the highest possible quality you have. So if you have the 2K video in your basic videos, choose the 2K here, the highest quality. After that, choose the frame rate. So you can choose the 16, 24, any you want, but I suggest you to choose the frame rate of your videos which your video based on. So basically if you have 24 fps videos, choose 24. And after that, everything is done and your exporting video will be in the highest quality. So we are ready to click on export, and after that the quality of our video will be the highest possible quality. So guys, this is a way how you can increase your quality on CapCut. I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write a comment. I also suggest you to watch this playlist because there are a lot of interesting tutorials there. See you, goodbye.